Hello mga pangga. Good afternoon. Today is as of this moment it's 5:30 in the afternoon, and then I joined the group in going to the cow farm. Pero wadyo ko kita cow farm no. So with me is Miss Japan. Yeah.
Konnichiwa.
Ang chow ya chow ya mga nung suwa. Oh, anak good na siya. Na ako ang leggings are pulling down.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Oh
you
my
know.
God, that's good news.
Yeah, I know.
Medyo dudog ka. Yeah,
And you missed the blogger.
yeah, you missed the
Where was the blogger?
Yeah.
We went to such a wonderful spot in the blogger.
So I have here with me another friend of mine.
There's no
Yeah.
live action.
There's no live action.
No, just talk.
It was such a scenic space.
Yeah.
You should have been
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yeah.
We saw
Your video would have
picture.
gone viral.
Did you join the walking this a while ago?
Yeah.
Did you go to the
How long
mountain?
did it
Yes.
take you to
Oh,
to and from?
how was it? How was the
An hour?
experience?
No, 1.5 to 2 hours.
Amazing
One way.
experience.
Oh,
Coming down was
congratulations, you made it.
We ran down.
Oh,
Yeah.
Not go to the top. It's
okay.
2 hours, even more than that.
Oh,
Martha!
thank you.
Martha, you join my vlog. Martha, say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Yeah.
Going to the couch.
Yes,
That's
yes.
fine. That's different bonding. But how many were you? Oh, thank you.
Say hi to my vlog. Yeah, that is Michael.
The group?
Yeah? I will upload this on YouTube. Michael is a pastor, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, so he is a pastor. And you are connected in an organization, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So your work is more on like children. So
Actually, I'm not a pastor, but I pastor children. But
Ah.
I'm not a real pastor.
mm.
Counseling psychologist.
Oh, so psychologist.
Yeah, working with the university.
Yeah. So it's not the pastor that do preaching. He is a psychologist by profession. So he is pastoring children. Oh, the cat is there.
But we're looking for the cat.
Yeah, I had not seen him for quite some time. Yeah.
That's the same cat?
Oh yeah, I
The
think
mountain
so.
cat?
Yeah, I think so.
But then he's different.
No,
Is that not?
maybe we can ask him.
Asian, right? Of the same kind.
Okay. So we're almost there to the farm. Oh. Ah, puta. Hi, it's Brother Paul again. The mafia.
Kumot ang baho dire. Presko kayo hangin. Kumot ang baho baka.
There's a village in there.
All you need is love.
Okay, so I'm almost there. The farm is there, right? Okay, so it's about 500 meters more to go. Then I will reach the farm together with my colleagues, more fellow participants. Ay, lahidi lang baka diri. Balbus lang baka diri. Huh? See? See? Oh. Di ba? Valvons. Yan ang baka. Imagine ko ba? Diri kong puyo. Ubad sa akong family mo, magmingaw. No? Bahala ko kay kaon sa Pinas.
And milking the cows.
Oh. Hello. So big. So big. So big.
It's massive. It's talking. These are clear.
Oh.
Violet, what's the name?
Ito kasi lang bahay diri eh. Kaayo. Oh, so this is now the cow. Hello. Hello. Hello.
That's how we see. When the one outside, they are very few.
And which is this breed? 10 in the morning.
What is the name of the breed?
One cow.
Which breed?
Cow's
Which is
breed.
the breed? Cow breed? What is the name of the breed? Like we have Jersey
Jersey.
You want to milk the cow? You want to milk the cow?
Now you have so many Miss countries over here. You can film them. All the cows, man.
Go, the last cow is getting milked. Right. Oh yeah, Rose. ये अपने जैसा नहीं है, ऐसा वाला आइटम, ऐसा वाला नहीं है।
Machine. It's all piped. It's all piped. They just fit in the.
नहीं कौशल अपने भी ऐसे डेयरी डेयरी जो है ना
नहीं हमारा ये नरेशवाड़ी की बात है।
We have milkers who come at 3:30 in the morning and they come back at 3 in the afternoon. There was a machine which we had kept, but that didn't work out. So we have milkers. वो ड्रमिंग का वो बालेश्वर अपने ना महेश मान। तो आपके फेसबुक पे उन्होंने देखा वीडियो, तो मुझे मैसेज किया, सर आपको डांस करते पहली बार देखा। वीडियो निकाल के रखा है। के साथ भी डांस आता है। अगली बार ब्लैकमेल करने के लिए।
Is this a project again? Are you?
You need love. You want empty.
Yes, because टाकता
I do want love.
आपण झूम टाकतो ना चुनी वगैरे.
Underground flight.
Is it alive? I think it's not. Oh, it's not alive.
Is that a real duck?
Okay.
So Baba is trying to tame the duck.
She's saying this will be our dinner.
The duck is looking at me. What is that duck's name?
Holding the Jawai.
Hello. Hello. Hey guys, so we're going back to our hotel. So I am with my friends. I left my Filipino friends. I switched other country. So they're Ayan. Okay. So Jacqueline is there. Okay. Yes. How are you feeling? Better, thank you. Wow, that's good to hear.
It's really cold.
Yeah, hold my hand. So cold.
It's time to go home now.
Yeah, time to go home.
मध्ये एक प्लास्टिकचा तुकडा नाही एक तिकडे गेले तर